back in my art room. I'm going to do a negative space flip and drag. Just a small canvas I have today. I think it's 6 by 8. I'll face you down and show you what I'm doing. Should be able to see that okay. Spreading around some off-white house paint mixed with Floetrol. Okay. Let this run around. It's working well. Oh, I forgot my speaker. I have my little speaker to put on. There. That's better. I know a lot of people say they can't hear me very well, but I know this works better. So there's something stuck there. I'll get that out of there. There. Okay, where's my little cup? Okay, so I've got my little cup, and I'm going to use some red Artist Loft, no, it's Daler-Rowney Crimson, and this is a turquoise Artist Loft. I think I've mixed a bit of blue in this, so it's made up color. And these have some silicone in it, and I'm going to use yellow also. So I think I'll just use red, blue, yellow, and maybe a little bit of white. So I'm going to put some white in the bottom of my cup. And for this, you don't need a lot of paint. Okay, so this is yellow Artist Loft mixed with Floetrol and some, I think this one had treadmill silicone in it. Just a drop or two in about half a cup. Okay, so I'm going to put some yellow, if you can see this. There's white in the bottom. I'll pour some yellow on top. Some turquoise. Some red. And then I'll just repeat this step again. Oh, I probably have too much. I'm not going to put a lot in the second half. You really don't need a lot. Especially because this is a small canvas also. Just want to get used up some of this paint. All right, I think that's good. So I'm just going to do a little mix like that. I'm going to put it to one side. Some came out. And now I need to punch a little hole in the bottom. My tack. And then I can start moving this around. Whoa. Look at those pretty cells. Move that into there. There we go. Oops. Just wipe my hands off. just going to take a little straw and blow some of this out. Turn it around that way. Let that flow back. I'll blow some of this off the edge there. I don't even need to use the heat gun on this. Just take my brush, finish doing these edges. There, that's so pretty. The last one I did, I think video 110, Flip and Drag, I sold it. Someone really liked it. So I'm wondering if I need to do any more. I think I'm good. Three colors and a bit of white. Red, yellow, and turquoise. All right, let me hold it up for you. This was a quick little video. Pretty, pretty. I'll let this dry and take some pictures. Thanks for watching. Please come back and please subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll do lots more. If you hit the bell, you'll get a notification when I do some more. All right? Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Carol's downstairs checking her dried canvas. This one dried amazing. Look at those cells. Beautiful. This is the one that I blew the edges with a straw. Came out really well. This one, it's pretty smooth. I really like these negative space flip and drags. Awesome. This will look really good varnished. If if you hold on a minute, I'll show you the other one I varnished. I have another flip and drag that I did a couple of videos ago, and I'll show you how it looks varnished. Okay, so here's the one that I did a few videos ago, and I varnished it. If you can see the shine, I'll just turn it so you can see it. It just makes the colors pop. See that? This one I sold. So I just wanted to show you that. This one will look very similar when I varnish it. Anyways, just thought I'd show you that with very similar colors. This one has more red. This one's got more blues. All right. Well, thanks for coming and watching my videos. And I'll be seeing you later. Good night. Goodbye. Good day. Bon voyage. Bye-bye.